I cannot think of a better venue for these two to get married than a wildlife conservancy. This moment is not only monumental for Carrie and Lucas, but also for all of us. The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet someone who makes you feel complete. The person who makes the world a beautiful place. The person who you share a bond so special that it transcends normal relationships and becomes something so pure and so wonderful that you can't imagine spending another day without them. Carrie and Lucas, you're adding to your life not only the affection of each other, but the companionship and blessing of deep trust. You are agreeing to share strength, responsibilities, and love. To make this relationship work, therefore, takes more than love. It takes trust, to know in your hearts that you only want the best for each other. It takes dedication, to stay open with one another, to learn and grow, even when it is difficult to do so. And it takes faith, to go forward together without knowing what the future holds for you two.
Carrie, I take you as you are.
Lucas, I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now,
And who you are yet to become.
I promise from this day forward to be grateful for our love and our life,
To be generous with my time.
to fill our life with adventure,
To encourage you to grow as an individual.
and inspire you to do so.
To love you completely.
These things I pledge before you, our friends, and our family.
These things I pledge before you, our friends, and our family.
Lucas, do you take Carrie to be your wife?
I do.
Carrie, do you take Lucas to be your husband?
I do.
You may now share your first kiss. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Baker.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tonight's celebration. Of course, we celebrate our newlyweds this evening, in which it is my distinct pleasure to present you guys for the very first time as husband and wife. Let's give a huge round of applause for our guests of honor, Mr. and Mrs. Lucas and Carrie Baker.